today I'm going to do another waterproof. For this patch, as you can see, these are very small blocks, small Kynam blocks. For this kind of blocks, some people may call it like little ears, the shape. And for the ear blocks, it's like here, this part. If we cut here, we cut off from here, you see the little block. So usually these kind of the Kynam blocks are quite rare because usually it's the chips like this. The chips from the trunks, they are very common. But for this, I have to collect like 30 grams, 50 grams, 100 grams from this person, that person, this hunter, another farmer, like this. So after 1 year in stock, I try to see which one is sinking, which one is not sinking. Oh, let's check how many are sinking under the water. Oh, come on, maybe the water is a little bit not enough. Let's see. Maybe we use a bigger buckle. Okay, let's see. This time should be better. There's still some air inside, so we will use this tool to stir it and give it a bit time to calm and see how much sinking under the water. Okay, not much. Maybe this patch I'm gonna lose a bit money. But don't worry, I have this patch. Today I have another waterproof. For this patch is 350 grams sinking under the water. The Kynam blocks, very nice. If you are interested in this better patch, come to talk to me. See you next time. Bye bye.